I think we are entering a very interesting setup for Oroco Resource Corp. So the stock is kind of soaring from the bottom at the beginning of 2025, February 2025. As of this recording, the stock is up 62%. And copper is really taking off. It's over $5 now. And so that puts Santa Tomas project way over $2 billion after tax, okay? And this is also during the time that the company is finally doing proper IR exposure. They're doing videos. They're doing a great job on their website. Look at this volume. It's just been a few hours and it's already traded 361,000 shares. And it's like this every day now. Like 500,000 shares like every day. And this is during the time when they just had representatives from Mexico come into Oroco to talk about the permitting situation. Because really, the only excuse, which is fabricated in investors' heads, is the permitting risk in Mexico. They made it up. They read a bunch of articles and they convinced themselves that there's a risk. Even though there's no ban on open pit mining and all that stuff, investors convinced themselves that there's a risk. So perceived risk is a risk, right? So now they had these representatives from Mexico come and discuss the project, because really, if you have any sort of common sense, just tiny, from the point of view of Mexico, like, why wouldn't you want a project like Santa Tomas? Okay, a lot of projects in mining have problems because, like, the local communities don't want it. There's huge opposition, and here we have a project that is hugely profitable. More than $2 billion net present value. The stock is trading for less than $100 million, right? It's trading at like 5% of the NPV. The locals cannot wait for this project to be put into production. They cannot wait, right? There's no local opposition. There's local support. This project will generate huge amounts of money for the government, and governments always want money, right? Any government. Why would they fabricate this in their head that there's going to be a problem, right? But they did. So now the representatives came in to talk about, and they came to Oroco. Oroco didn't go to them. They flew from Mexico to Oroco to discuss this project. Doesn't this tell you something? That they kind of want this project, right? So now people are buying shares. Like, why? And then also disgruntled shareholders left, sold their shares, right? So copper is getting hot, right? The higher it goes, the more the majors want to acquire copper assets, right? Now the representatives from Mexico are helping Oroco with the permit, right? All you need is the thinking to shift. Oh, they are going to get a permit. Oh, after they apply for a permit, they're going to get it. Oh, wow. 100 million market cap, more than 2 billion NPV. Oh,